Hey guys, welcome back to Morant's Rants. Check this out. So I was reading up on how Jefferies is the underwriter for GameStop's ATM, right? They were offering up shares at the market, and they offered 45 million shares when the stock was running like 3 weeks ago, right? So GameStop raised $933 million. Now here's the speculation part. Here's the part that I love the most. I have a feeling that Jefferies made so much money, on the commissions of those sales that they knew the demand was that strong. So they go to GameStop and they make an agreement. They say, listen guys, if you want to raise money at any time and it comes up again, we have buyers. We have people that probably thought they had more time. So it's not just FOMO on retail side, on just you guys who are out there reading Twitter and Reddit. No, it's FOMO on institution side. Because remember what I told you, when you're buying GameStop, you can actually buy in with the larger amounts, a bigger percentage of allotment based off of the float. The float itself is now 425 million shares. I think people were running to the table to buy GameStop at $20 and $30. The fact that this, Roaring Kitty has $500 million worth, and or GameStop now has $4 billion to the coffers, that's monumental. And I know people want to run to it, but I think Jefferies, they're pretty good salesmen because they're willing to sell off the shares and raise those funds instantly. Maybe they just have some big buyers on the sidelines. That's what I'm looking at. So when it gets announced from GameStop, just remember this, guys. The stock might be at $28 right now, and some people think that's down, which is crazy, blasphemy. It hadn't been at that level in over 2 years. So I love it that it ended on a Friday, $28, higher lows and higher highs, essentially. But you've seen the stock run up. You've seen it do what it does over the last 6 weeks of gamma ramp rolling, and that's based off of the options that are in the money. We'll see what happens in 2 weeks from now, because I know 2 weeks is a big date for all of us, and we're all looking forward to it. But right now, what I want people to focus on is when GameStop does announce that they raised $2 billion, okay, or close to it, you're going to find out just how much this company's worth, because the stock price is going to skyrocket. It's not going to go down. It's going up, guys. People know the value of the dollar, and your book value, your shareholder equity within this company is at the highest it's ever been, and here's why. Because it's all based off of cash. It's not based off of, they will tell you goodwill. It's not based off of assets that you eventually have to sell and lease back. Nothing. They're not leveraged. They have zero debt and zero long-term debt, no covenants, and they have the right leadership working for you. Remember that. GameStop, can't stop, won't stop GameStop. Nothing changes my mind, millionaires, nothing. As far as, these guys who are in it just for the quick, grab and stab, here's their problem. They can't even stomach the stock coming down $5 in a day or $10 in a day. They want to blame Ryan Cohen. What were they going to do when the stock goes up $200? Where were they going to sell at? These paper-handed bitches, I don't worry about. Guys out here that know what the hell you hold, you know the value of it. Don't worry about these guys posting on Twitter and Reddit and saying, oh my God, they rug pulled. What were you going to do? Were you going to sell at 60? Are you mad that your calls didn't go on the money? Get out of here. If you've been here for 3.5 years, you know exactly what this is. The best investment of your lifetime. Once in a lifetime. I'll see you around, millionaires. Enjoy your Sunday. I'm going to get my ass to work. Peace.